Hi, this is Celine and I welcome you to my review of Blue Hustle 2.0, a product by Shandin. It's a very simple but powerful training program that he has lined up to help you start from ground zero all the way. I went through it and I was really amazed at its simplicity. And at the same time, even though it's simple, it's very thorough. It really takes you all the way in. So I'm very pleased to actually preview this product and do it for you. We'll go into the members area and look at all this training he has lined up. Just scan through and we will look at his sales page. And if you like it, I will show you shortly after this the bonuses I have lined up for you should you decide to buy Blue Hustle 2.0 from my link. So let me take you now into the bonus page. Yeah, so this is the bonus page, and you can notice that its launch has just been launched actually on 27th of May, and the bonus page will come down at midnight on Sunday, May 30th. Okay, so what is Blue Hustle? I like it. At first it sounds like so Blue Hustle, you know. It is actually a simple, profitable online business. How to start it in 2021 from the comfort of your home. And it's true. It's a step-by-step blueprint, as you see here, for making money online that is 100% dummy-proof. The simplicity, the way Shandin has crafted it, really makes it dummy-proof, as it were. So let's quickly round up. It is the fastest way for beginners to make their first dollars, first small money, big or small, online. Okay, the method you can learn quickly, put it into action right away without a whole lot of money and get results. So the front end, you're looking at only $12.95, and if you go to the sales page afterwards, there's a pop-up that gives you $3 discount. So it may end up with only $9.95. Yes, and there are 4 OTOs. He will show you how to actually build it up step by step. So even to get the front end to kickstart off would be a good start. You'll access the powerful Blue Hustle 2.0 software and training modules, and you get the upsell. You have the PLR Golden Bundle, all his products that he has come up with. You know, he has handpicked for you. You get Ultimate Affiliate Bundle, another one, full access to his 2020 best-selling products, and then you have the upsell 3, which is Success Mastery, 1 month premium coaching. So that's why it's priced at $297. Yeah, it's high. And that's how you can build an online business, but you have someone to hold your hands. Then upsell 4 is multiple license rights for his products. And for 3 of his best-selling products, he gives you a reseller license. So what we are looking at here is actually a beginner-friendly and simple to implement online business structure that he has put in place for you. So if you can do it and run it, it will run on its own. So let me just quickly show you one of the bonuses I have for you. One is Enigma. Now, Enigma is a very powerful tool because Enigma actually enables you to tap on a loophole, as it were, in the Facebook algorithm and then draw traffic. You siphon traffic, okay, to your website, to your affiliate link. The second bonus I have for you is actually a free Instagram traffic hack, because again, it will bring you Instagram traffic. It's a hack that will be able to tap and then draw in Instagram traffic into your affiliate link or your website. The third bonus is actually 4 proven insider tips for making great channel content. So this is where you want your YouTube channel to be attractive, to engage with people, and people always want to come to your YouTube channel because there are always new things they can get there. So this will help you because it gives you some insider tips. And my 4th bonus has to do with Equinox. So what is Equinox? Equinox is another software that actually enables you to do a search in your specific niche. And this search takes you into YouTube and Wikipedia. Now what it does is that it helps you to find domains or websites that have been abandoned. So it's like you get this backlink, and when you check through, people visit the site, but then it's going to visit whatever that has been put up. But when they click on the link, it just goes to a dead end site. So nobody is getting any benefit when people click. So this is where Equinox enable you to find such sites, and then you can go and legally buy them. Okay, and then you can put your link onto those dead domain sites that's linked to some purchases and people are walking through. So Equinox actually does that. It helps you to make money through other people's YouTube videos, because these people watch it, they click, but the link they get linked to, that is not an active site. That is actually a dead domain. So you can buy that domain and then benefit from the link. Okay, so that's what Equinox. Now the fifth one is that all the vendors' bonuses will be put here for you as well. Okay, and should you buy it, you'll come to this Warrior Plus page. You access the product. What's the product? Blue Hustle 2.0. Then you click on the green button, and the blue button is you access all the purchases I've showed you just now. And yeah, that's me. Okay, that's about it. I will now take you to the sales page, because when you click on my bonus page, it will take you to the sales page. So clicking on this orange button will take you to the sales page. So let's go to the sales page, and then I'll take you into the Blue Hustle members area. So here we are at the sales page. You can notice same tagline. They're telling you step-by-step blueprint for making money online. That is 100% dummy proof. Let's quickly go down. You see here, that's the one you get instant access to Blue Hustle. As we're going down now, they give you proof. They tell you 3 steps that you can do to benefit. And what Shandin is saying is that don't fall into a trap of keep buying products. You just have to settle in, because it's a never-ending cycle. All you need to do is to pick one method, a simple one that actually works, and follow through. Don't complicate things. That's the main thing that you can see, that what he's actually stressing here. The only way left for to succeed, for the little guy to succeed, is that you need to follow through. So that's why he's using Blue Hustle 2.0. He's put here, I know you want to make money, but my course is one of the few methods left which newbies can use to make easy and scalable income online in a short amount of time. So here we have it's called Blue Hustle, and to recap it, what you get if you buy Blue Hustle today, you get a step-by-step video training to profit from simple product launches. You can turn cheap products into full-blown stream of income. It's newbie friendly. You can sell Blue Hustle product over and over again. Should you buy it upsell, but give you the reseller license. No theory, it's all purely practical. So this is where you have. And the total value today is only $12.95. You get it. So that's the price there. And you can be assured that when you get your copy of this course, you're going to get something that actually works and will continue to work for you in years to come. So he has also prepared bonuses for you. So what are the bonuses? Bonus number 1, besides my bonus, he is giving you his genius sales letter template. Okay, so it's very important, because not easy to write letters when people want to open and read. Bonus number 2 is giving you is the Blue Hustle headline formula, and this is where the headline will draw people's attention and they want to come to visit you. Bonus number 3 is giving you an exclusive Facebook group for inside tricks and special help. So there's a continual support that will help you to overcome whatever challenges that you face and problems that you might face as well. So now you can actually take option to buy or not to buy. So then he has FAQ for you as well. Do I need experience to make this work? Nope. Do I need any software to make money? Nope. What if I don't have the time? You don't need to worry. This strategy and the internet is not going anywhere. So if you can take a few minutes, a few hours each week, you can still build up over time. So who should try Blue Hustle? It's for everyone who is tired of spinning their wheels and testing different methods. So Blue Hustle works. That's what he says. So will I be overwhelmed with all the training? No, you can pace out the training. How fast can you make money with this? We cannot guarantee that you can make profit using Blue Hustle, but if you follow our system exactly as it's laid out, they say, you can certainly say that you will see success. Okay, that's what they say. So it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's something you can put on and work at, so you can get access to that. So that's it. So Blue Hustle, what's the price now? Okay, it's actually only at $12.95. Remember I told you. So this is the sales page. Yeah, the original one, the pop-up may come out. I'll now take you into the members area of Blue Hustle. Okay, this is the members area, and it is telling you watch all the training and reach out to me if you have any assistance. So this is the creator Shandin, and he'll be guiding you throughout the product creation process. So please watch a very important video. It's a welcome video, and then you can access a complete instructional guide. He prepares a guide for you already, so you can read this guide before you watch the video. You can subscribe to his YouTube channel and learn from him. Then you watch the complete training below. I'm just going to scroll through very quickly. How to search and get free PLR product, consume it and improve it, find your product name, create free logo, turn your logo. So it's actually telling you how to make money online. Install the best page builder, step-by-step walkthrough of Thrive Architect, create your thank you page. That means you now list your product on Warrior Plus. That means you're creating a product. Then you prepare offer creation, step-by-step upsell page. So what Shani is actually teaching you is how to actually sell your product online, do an online business with whatever product nature you want. You know how to do a thank you page, then how to upsell, do a complete system, then your conclusion and support. Now the next thing is taking you through. So this is such a powerful thing. One is that how to come up with a simple product. It shows you the steps, and then you put it on. Then he tells you now how to also, besides your own product, now you sell other people's product. And this is where complete affiliate marketing training. Can you imagine? Yes, all that all about affiliate marketing and getting it. So I was looking, I was so impressed, and how to do advertisements as well. Then your bonuses, all the bonuses he has mentioned just now, we saw in the sales page, is available in the members area. A very powerful tool. Just take note how to do your adverts. Okay, he's going to tell you complete Facebook training to scale your business, then how to do a complete affiliate marketing training, and then here how to actually search and create products through free PLR products. Very powerful system indeed. Okay, thank you once again for watching my review of Blue Hustle 2.0. Bye for now.